Hey guys, John, Vapor Technologies and Vapor Blast Manufacturing Company. Today we want to show off the brand new 2820. That is a 28-inch wide cabinet, 20 inches deep. This is a solid workhorse and has been for over 84 years for Vapor Blast Manufacturing Company. These are now in production again here in 2025. We have 3 of them actually going out to customers right now. We pulled one of the 3 to show you, but this would be one of the first few times you've ever possibly seen this type of cabinet. This thing is built, for lack of a better word, like a brick house. These machines are very, very over-engineered and very reliable and robust. They've been proven now for over 84 years. We've shown you a couple other videos of some other models, and we're going to continue to do that as we manufacture these units again. But this is a very robust workhorse. So these things are in factories all over the world today, doing many different operations. But one of the big benefits of this machine that I love is the fact that you can sit and blast. This machine is called the Sit and Hone 2820 for that very reason. You can sit here very comfortably, and that's why people buy these. People that are working on production parts, you can sit here and blast your parts all day. Nice comfortable armrest, lined gloves, and of course the proprietary Vapor Blast nozzle. Again, these nozzles range in CFM usage all the way up to, I think, close to 100 CFM. So if you want to pump out some parts and you want to do a lot of work very quickly, this machine might be the answer for you. Again, this is a very comfortable machine to sit and blast at. That's what it was designed for. It does have a demisting unit on it. So there's over 400 CFM of air coming through this cabinet to keep everything very visible and clear while you're blasting your parts. It has a window rinse option on the machine as well. It is built out of stainless steel. Everything is stainless steel. Everything is very robust and very durable. These machines, again, have been in service since 84 years, so since 1941. But again, a very proven, small, compact footprint. That's why companies buy these. They are very ergonomical to work at. So we see that where companies are working these machines 8 to 10 plus hours a day. I do love the design. I'm glad we're keeping it and manufacturing it, but this is a this is a brand new machine, hot off the press, and we just wanted to show it off to you. But super proud of these products. Again, 84 years. I cannot stress that enough. These guys were the inventors of wet blasting, the pioneers of wet blasting. It has the patent or proprietary pumping system on the back. We do build those. We do service those. All parts are stocked here in our warehouse, ready for shipment, and within 24 hours we're shipping replacement parts all day, every day. And we're still supporting machines from the 50s. And so we'll rebuild your pump, we'll sell you the parts to rebuild your pump. If you guys have a unit right now that needs serviced, you need to call and email the sales team to get your parts to replace and fix your machine. Again, what we're seeing is people are just repairing these machines. They're not broken down beyond repair. They're very solid, robust workhorses. But we hope you enjoy this video. If you have more questions on this product or any other products that we manufacture between Vapor Technologies and Vapor Blast Manufacturing Company, call and email the sales team. They're always here and happy to help. Thanks for watching.